dark. We did have some wildlife down through here, but Shio thought starting a fire would scare him away, and it really did. It really helped a lot. Afterwards, he laid right down, went to sleep. He's not really interested in anything out there right now. Fire is a good companion for that. If you use fire, you can usually keep predators at bay, in the United States at least. There are those countries where it just don't work. Even mountain lions will tend to stay away from a fire, which as a rule, as big cats go in other countries, that's not always the case. You hear a lot about, jaguars and stuff like that. They don't really, they don't like to stay outside. Don't like to follow the rules. Well, I've been having a lot of pain since I settled in here. It's about time for another couple of pain pills. Oh yeah, I stabbed myself with a stick right in the chest. Man, did that hurt. I was breaking firewood. All of a sudden a piece popped. It went rammed right in my chest. It had a nice sharp end on it. I have a nice big bruise. Brought tears to my eyes. I'm okay though.